Hello, this is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to post your YouTube videos automatically to Tumblr website. Now guys, I am using the website called Zapier. I am in my dashboard, and in this field, connect this app, I'll choose YouTube. In the with this one tab, I'll choose Tumblr. Now what happens with this? You select a trigger, I'll click new video in channel, and then I'll choose, then do this, select an action, I'll click create link post. Now guys, I'll click use Zap. Now guys, watch carefully what steps I take. So first of all, in this YouTube account section, I'll add my YouTube account, and then guys, watch carefully. This step is very important. Something went wrong from our end, something problem, but I'll close this and try again. Add a new account. Yes, it's working. Some problem from Zapier's end. Choose my Google account and then my main channel, and allow Zapier to access my Google account. And now I have chosen this. I'll click continue. Now I'll click in this box, I'll just choose my URL, channel URL, which is right here. I'll go and click my paste my channel URL, press space bar and refresh fields. Now I'll click continue. I'll skip this test. And now we are on Tumblr, so I'll choose Tumblr Red Hat Ocelot. This is my Tumblr. I choose it, click continue. Now in the blog, I'll choose this already untitled blog, which is the title of my blog, and link, I'll choose just the link. YouTube URL, link title, I'll choose the title. Description, I'll use the description. Thumbnail, I'll use the show all options. And high URL, thumbnails high URL. Excerpt, I'll go to show all options, go down and choose channel ID. Well, I can choose publish date. I think it would be better because it doesn't matter, that's not very important. And custom URL, again I'll just use this one. And make images inline, I'll just say no. And state, I'll choose published. Now I'll continue. So I'll test and continue. And now I can see my Tumblr. You can see over here, I have done it already for you guys, the custom thumbnail and the title of the video, and the tag as well will appear according to the video. So I'll just go over here and excerpt, I have not chosen. Wait guys, I'll choose a proper excerpt. Details, definition, details, dimensions. I'll just choose channel title over here and just continue. Okay, never mind, and just click done editing, and my Zap is ready. But I will not turn it on guys, I have already created this Zap for Tumblr. So I'll delete this app, and I'm going to review you guys what things I used in my created Zap already. I'll just go to the edit and yes, Tumblr, choose app, choose action event, create link post, choose account. I have done that as well. Customizable linked post, I have chosen in link URL, title, link title, description, thumbnail, excerpt. I have put channel title, tags. I have put channel title, custom URL. I have put the YouTube URL and published. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and also let me know which other tutorial you want me to make. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be signing off. Take care.